You're paying way too much for AI tools. What if I told you that there's a way to access premium AI apps without those annoying monthly fees? Meet AI Universe, the all-in-one AI dashboard that could replace tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, ElevenLabs, and Adobe Firefly. But is it really as good as they sound? In this video, I'll test it out, show you what's inside, and if it's actually worth your money or just an overhyped AI tool. When you log in, you get access to the dashboard. And on the dashboard, you can see everything that you have. You can see DeepSeek, you can see Flux, you can see Kling, you can see Lexica, you can see all of these. So we'll be testing them out to see if having all of it in one platform is worth more than having multiple platforms to pay. So you can see that you can also take a look at your AI code generator. And this is simple for anyone that already generates code. Let's say we want to build a sign-up page. And now the coding language, if you're building a sign-up page, it's best to use HTML, you can use CSS, you can use some JavaScript. And yeah, we can choose the AI model. We want to use GPT-4, which of these, all of these, and we generate. We wait for a little while. Now that we have the code, we can see that it has the HTML part, it has the CSS part, and also the JavaScript part. So we can see how to use it. Then let's test it out in a web browser. Then we run. And now we can see our sign up page made all with AI. Now let's test out other parts of AI Universe. We can definitely check out the training and support. But on the main dashboard, we can test out Lexica Pro first. So now we can put a prompt. And as we know, Lexica is used to generate images. So let's say then generate. You can see the message that image has successfully been generated, and now you can download it, open it, and you can see that. Now let's test another one out. Let's see, Adobe Firefly, city. Let's say Hawaii. Generate. As you can see that you cannot generate multiple images at once. So let's pick something that doesn't require an image, like Claude. So hello. Hi. So we can see this is how Claude is responding. So you can see, so this is basically all that it has. We can test it out for multiple things, but because we're already familiar with all these AI tools, we don't need to go on and on, but you get the idea. So any tool that you want, you can see DeepSeek, Flux, Kling, ideogram, so much more, all of them in one tool. So you can even see OpenAI's O1 Pro, that is the latest version of ChatGPT. So if you have any question, need any clarification, you can definitely ask and we'd love to answer you. Subscribe to Digitech Guide and you'll see you in more videos. Goodbye.